A new word every day. Beginner English. Learning English step by step. English. Ravi was a boy from a small village. English. He wanted to learn English. English. But he was afraid. English. I don't understand, he said. English. English is too hard. English. One day, he met an old man. English. The man said, learn one word every day. English. Ravi said, that's all. English. The man smiled, yes. One word today. One word tomorrow. In 1 year, you will know many words. Ravi started with easy words. Hello, thank you, water, eat, smile. He said them every day. He wrote them in a notebook. Soon, he learned small sentences. How are you? I am fine. I like to learn. 1 year later, he spoke in English. Slowly, but clearly. Ravi smiled and said, one word every day. The teacher asked, how did you learn? Many students asked Ravi for help. He shared his notebook with them. Don't be afraid, he told them. If I can learn, you can too. The teacher was happy to see the change. Parents said, Ravi, be an example for others. Ravi continued to give hope. Don't rush. Learn one word a day. You will grow, step by step. Thanks for watching. Sngi, like, share and subscribe.